All right, so we found this Lion Link fortune. I mean, Lion Link's pretty fun. Look at that. Look at all those winning numbers that we're about to win. Oh, I'd love to get that fortune. Lucky, lucky us. Let's see if we can do it. All right, here we go. Low rolling at 88 cents. And let's hope for a bonus. Come on. Be amazing.
Pop it.
Turn that volume up. Come on. Boom, boom, balls, balls. Oh man, not enough. Not enough. We need 6 balls, right? 6 balls, 6 balls. Wait, don't shake hand. Balls. Oh, 1 ball. Come on. Balls, balls, balls. 3 more.
Oh.
Come on, balls. Oh, that's a bonus symbol?
Yeah.
Or bonus.
Ever elusive bonus.
How do you get the fortune, I wonder? Fortune ball. Boom, boom, boom.
Like that.
Oh. So does that count for 2 balls?
It does count for 2 balls.
Oh my God, let's do that. Come on, baby. Fortune ball, fortune ball, fortune ball. Boom, boom, boom. We need more though. We want the bonus. Let's go. Come on. Oh, be right. Be something, be something. We need a winner. Winner, winner. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my goodness. Don't shake your head at me and make it happen. Oh, see, that glowed but didn't do anything. Come on.
Oh, he acted like he was going to separate, but he didn't.
He did, but I mean, all right, come on, right now, balls.
That was booty.
All right, 3 more, 3 more.
Drop him.
Ooh, 7-11. Come on, let's do it. Come on, we need some balls. Come on. Oh, man. 3 of those, something. I see the fish in the reflection. 4 more.
Split.
Drop. Do something. Oh my God, that was the closest we've gotten this whole time. Oh, 3 more. Come on. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, come on.
Last spin. Oh, beat.
Wow. Really?
Well.
Okay, well, that was wet.
I guess he didn't like us very much. All right, well, let's go try to find something else that would maybe be nice to us.
Right.
I do.
All righty, look at this. Spooky Grand. Now, I think this one gives you a chance to win that big dollar amount right there on any bet. Right? So it has the grand, but it has Spooky Grand. It has the major, the maxi, minimum, mini, minor, all that good stuff. So, it looks like a jackpot bonus just hit not too long ago, so it could be a hot machine. All right, I hope my friend Mr. Yeti decides to come out and play with us. So let's go.
Very nice.
Oh, this is going to be so much fun.
So much fun. Come on, bonus. Bonus. Come on.
Where you at with your little snowmobile or whatever it is?
Yeah, where's your guy, man? Come roll out or land one of the chances, right? Come on, Yeti, come play.
Come on now.
Do it, do it. Oh.
great. Grills all vibrating the seat.
Right? Come on. Come on and play. Come out, Mr. Yeti friend. Yeti, Yeti, Yeti. Come on. Where are you at? Where are you at? Oh my goodness. So much happening. Come on. Let's go, let's go. Oh, that could have put a queen in the middle right there.
It could have.
Come on, Yeti. Come on, Yeti. Come out and play with us. I want you to throw some snowballs to us.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. God, I would love to see that chance, right? Do it, do it, do it. Wow. So much. Oh my gosh. Come on, my friend. Come on. Come on, play. Come on now. He's not very active today. He doesn't want to play with us. That's rude.
That is rude.
That's so rude. Come on.
Well, that's it. Insufficient funds.
Insufficient funds. Hold on.
Are we doubling up?
No, I got, I think 70 cents on here. Maybe we can get one more spin. Oh my God. Well, if it'll take the damn ticket. I think I got enough for one more spin.
One spin exactly.
All right, come on, be it, be it, be it, be it, be it.
And it took that too.
Okay. Maybe next time.
Gotta go.
Okay, I found a cool game, Island Rising. They look like they're on fire. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. It kind of has like some of the symbols from like Moana. What do you think?
I try not to.
I think it's gonna win. I feel it, I know it. I'm manifesting this is happening right now. Right now it is. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go. Ooh, looking for a spin. Be big. Yeah, see, it even looks like a Moana kind of dude.
He is very Moana-ish.
Come on, let's get a big bonus. Come on. All right, what are you gonna do? They look like they're going to explode. Come on, let's land it. Oh my goodness. Do it, do
Double
it.
pop.
Oh man. Like, come on. I feel it. It's gonna happen. We're gonna get a bonus. Question is, how do we get a bonus?
It's just like a bag pop. You land the coins and
We
the
need
bag pops.
we need 3 coins.
No, it pop on 1 coin. But we would like it to pop 3 of them.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on, Moana. Let's go. see what it does. Oh my goodness.
The word super spin.
Yeah, super spin or more spins. I like more spins.
Come on.
Okay, we got 3 and nothing happened.
It did nothing.
Yeah, 1. I don't know what we got to do to get the bonus. It doesn't really use, some games list it. This one's not listed, but man, I want a chance to play the bonus. Come on.
I guarantee you one of the coins has to pop one of those up there. Doesn't look like there's a free spin option.
It's dual spins. I bet you it's like dual screens or something. Oh my goodness. Come on, come on. Big win, big win. Oh my goodness. I think the loaded top pulled me in.
I think it did. Oh, we got it.
Yes,
We got the super spins.
Super spins. All right, come on, come on, come on. Be big, be big, be big. Touch to spin. Let's go. Land the balls. Land the balls. Or the coins. Land the coins. Okay, balls. What is that?
You know what the super spin is?
What?
It's the bird.
Oh, what game was that again?
The firecracker game.
The firecracker
Ooh, I got the
game.
mini.
Oh, you got the mini. Mini's $10. Come on, big words, big balls.
Come on, shoot it. Shoot it again.
Yeah, shoot it. Shoot it again. Oh, you're right. The colors are kind of that way too. That makes total sense. Oh my God. Come on. Land them, land them.
Shoot it.
Oh. Big in, big in. Shoot it, shoot it. Shoot it, shoot it.
You shoot again.
Come on, big balls. I saw the mini again. Come on, mini. Come back around. Words, words, balls. Land the balls. Land the ball, baby. Land the ball, baby.
Mini ball. There we go.
Oh, it almost was a mini. Did you see it? Come on, land the balls. Ball, 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 ball. No. Come on, ball. Ball. There you go. There you go.
Now shoot some stuff.
Yeah, like be active. Come on, ball. Ball. All right. All right. I'll take it.
We'll take the
it.
plan.
Come on.
You can shoot some
There
stuff
you go.
anytime now.
Yeah, I know. Be active. Come on. Right here. These two. These two. These two. Land it, ball. Land it, ball. Land it, land it. Come on. You can do it.
Give us a grand sweat.
Be right. Be right. Land it. Ah, no, it's over.
And he
Well,
just
we got a minute.
refused to shoot anything anymore.
Yeah, he wasn't very active at all, was he? I mean, look. Not bad. We got our money back.
Yeah, we got our money back. Actually, we're in profit. Now it gives us some backup spins.
Yeah, a couple backup spins, see if we can't get it, but you know what, that's right. I mean, but it has super spins and it has dual spins, which has double. Does the firecracker?
It would have been cool if he'd have popped the double one too.
Yeah. All right, so what, 3 or
$30.
4 backup spins, depending on what we have? Maybe it'll pop the other one. Woo-hoo. Come on. You could pop the dual one. I like duals. On guard. Come on. Uh-oh. Oh, we're going to have some ammo. Here we go. All right, there we go.
One more.
That's it.
That's it.
All right. Well, that was fun. We got a bonus, and we're walking away with $10 profit. Boom. Let's find another one. Okay, I found a lightning link. Is this a lightning link? No, lightning storm. This is a lightning storm. It's a 10-year one. This one is the magician one. I am thinking it's going to be epic. Even if we could get that major, I'm good with it. Whatever. I just want some bonuses. Win some money.
Not going to be epic. It's going to be magical.
Magical. I like it. Come on, let's go. All right, let's get this party started. Are you ready? Okay, now I have a choice. 50 cents or $1? I'm thinking $1. Wait, let me see if that number changes. Oh yeah, no, I'm thinking 50
I
cents.
say do 50 lines, $1.
Think so? Either way, it's $1. I'm just looking at that number. It's 7:05.
It's going to stay the same at the dollar bet.
All right.
Oh no, it actually changed.
It changed. So I'm gonna go back to 50 because I feel like that number is significant in some form or fashion.
And I fast tapped it.
Oh shit! Okay. Wait. All right,
Those are
wait.
good balls.
Look at. 7-Eleven.
I think it's going to pop at 714.
It's going to hit the major. Let's go, baby. Ready?
Big balls, bring big balls.
Big balls. Oh, come on, balls. Land some balls. Oh, you gotta, I saw
Anything.
words. Come on, baby.
Oh,
There we go. Come on, big balls. Major. I'd be okay
Nice.
with a full screen. Let's go.
714.
714. Come on, balls. Big balls. All right, 2 balls. Oh, you see that $25 one?
I did.
Oh, come
Let's
on.
get it.
Come on, balls. Yes. Come on, balls.
Oh, come on. All right.
We gotta land something. Come on, baby. Land ball. Anything.
Oh, sorry.
Not
It's still a
bad.
good
You
ball.
got 2 $10 ones on there. I mean, 30 something.
$38. Nice.
Not bad.
Pretty good. For a fast tap.
Did you intentionally?
An accidental fast tap. But I
Accidental.
told you it was going to be magical. And I magically accidentally fast tapped.
You did.
And you magically won money. See how that
Come on.
works?
Yeah.
Easy.
50 cents.
Oh, 50 cents. All right. Now let's see if we can do it again.
I'd love to get a bonus. Come on, baby.
We do like to take our wins around here. So we're going to play this down to, I don't know, 45, maybe 40. We'll see how it goes.
Come on, bonus.
Maybe even 50 if it just
that
doesn't
magic
give anything to us.
Ooh, 5. Magic show, where are you?
See if it works twice.
I wonder how.
Oh, it did.
It doesn't. Because it was intentional when you did it.
It was a one-hit wonder.
A one-hit wonder. Come on, baby. That magic show. Ooh, that's 3. I wonder how you could trigger and hit that. It's just random, I'm sure, right? Come on, we're looking for a big win. Bonus. I'd love to see that magician show. I think I played this in Reno at that one game.
At Cal Vega or something like that. It was very old, funky.
Come on now.
Come on.
4 more.
Come on.
2 more.
Oh.
See, I want this magic show. Come on. Oh, 2 more. 2 more. Oh, it was up there. Oh.
Come on.
2 more. 2 more. Oh my God. That
that's a
had
double
several
mini.
minis. Oh my goodness.
Come on. Get hot, gang.
You can do it.
Come on.
Oh,
That's
do
Joe.
it. Do it. Do it. Oh.
Oh.
That was going to be there. Come on.
All right, mister. You will give us another bonus. You will give us another bonus.
Yeah, you will. You will.
3 more.
Come on. Two more.
Magic choke, magic choke.
Come on, balls.
Well, that's 45. You think we should take that or should we go to 40?
Look, I say.
It's your call. It has,
look, we
ever
put
since
20
the
in.
bonus,
It has kind of died down, but I say, look, we walk away at double. I mean, that's the goal. We got a bonus, we walk away double, we play it back just a little bit. We're already here, so let's just.
That sounds good. Let's do
Yeah,
that.
let's just take it to 40. Maybe we'll get a magic show, or maybe we will pop that thingamajiggy. I want a bonus. Let's go.
Oh, we got some rabbits.
Come on, show me your magic. Do it, do it, do it. Oh, 741. Do it.
Come on.
Come on, baby. I knew you can do it.
Come on.
All right, here we go.
Where you at, Magic
I
Chuck?
saw them pass by. All right, last spin. Do it.
Oh, I thought I was going to do it on the last spin.
Oh, well, I had fun. Let's
It
try
was
another
fun.
one.
We'll see you on the next one.
Peace out.
Oh yeah! Spin it! Low rolling love, let the reel spin free. Hit the jackpot, baby, win it all.